Hi guys, I've just come out on this lovely autumn sunny day to take a few pictures with this Fujifilm camera. It's an instant camera. It's the Instax 100. Now this particular camera is from the year 1999. This when they first came out. I've just put a fresh film in it and some fresh batteries, and I thought while I'm over here I might as well make a quick video. Now some trees there, so I'll take a few pictures of, well, take a picture of these trees. I've got 10 pictures in there, and I've got the focus set to infinity. What you've got to watch out for these cameras is when you first turn it on, it always sets to 3 meters distance, so you just got to press that focusing button to get it to infinity. So I'll just take a picture. Now this will take probably about a minute or so to develop, so I'll just pause it while it develops. Okay, so about 30 seconds since I took the picture. It's just starting to come through now. So what I'm going to do while that's developing is way over there. I don't know if you can see that, I can't zoom in. There's a big tower block. I'm going to take a picture of that and see how it comes out. This thing keeps on covering, this strap gets in the way. Alright, here we go. Okay, so I'll let that one develop. So the first picture's developed, and the colours are pretty spot on. Just see if I can focus in. Pretty much spot on. And the second picture I took, you can see the block of flats in the picture, so it did pick it up okay. Focus. You can see it. So there you have it, that's the Instax 100. This is from 1999, so we're in 2016, so it's 17 years old now, this camera. This is the 100. I believe Fujifilm are up to 300 now. The Fujifilm Instax 300. I'm not sure what the difference is, but this one is okay for me. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.